Greetings again. How to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in New Jersey, USA. Welcome. I am Emre, the webmaster of cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I want to show you the easiest way to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies for investors living in New Jersey. How to deposit money on Binance. How to buy Bitcoin. How to buy cryptocurrency in New Jersey. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in this video. In description section, you can use the 20% commission kickback link and codes. Yes, this is our website, Cryptocurrency USA. You can get information about all cryptocurrencies, important cryptocurrencies, how to buy cryptocurrency, how to buy Bitcoin with credit card, where to buy Bitcoin in the USA. Yes, and articles about all cryptocurrencies. There is list of top cryptocurrencies. We can click. In this page, we can get all information about altcoins and Bitcoin. Yes. Now, we want to buy Bitcoin in New Jersey. Firstly, we need information about Bitcoin. We can click Info. This page about Bitcoin. You can get all information about Bitcoin in this page. Now, how to buy Bitcoin in New Jersey. You can click this button, like this.